Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the scene, park level, set the brake, and chock the opposite wheel. Once done, remove the wheel cover and loosen lug nuts one turn so the wheel can come off safely. You need the jack and lug wrench ready, plug kit and valve tool should be within reach. Inspect the tire closely to determine whether the damage is a puncture or a slash and whether the sidewall is involved, because that decides if repair is possible versus replacement. You deflate the tire completely and remove any embedded object, then ream the hole to clean and shape the opening so the plug material bonds. Next, choose the correct mushroom or plug and apply adhesive if required. Push it into the hole until the flange seats against the inner liner. Make sure to follow kit torque and seating cues. Once seated, trim excess plug material so it's even with the tread surface. Then reinstall the valve core and begin slowly. You remount the wheel, hand tighten the lugs, lower the vehicle a bit so the tire holds some weight, then torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to the specified value. Once done, check the repair with soapy water to look for bubbles and ensure no air escape. Then drive a controlled short test at low speed to confirm sealing. If you still see leakage or the damage includes the sidewall, stop using the tire and replace it. Do not attempt a plug on structural cuts. Contact a professional promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.